So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to edit indents here on Google Docs. So for example, if I were to type in the word indent right here, there's nothing. The simplest way to do it is to go press before your letters, press on the tab button, and it'll go ahead and increase your indent this way. If you want to go ahead and actually change it as well, you can go to the top right here. Go to this option right here to where it says increase if you want to increase it. If you want to decrease it, you can decrease just like that. And you can basically play around with it this way. So if you wanted this one here, and then you wanted this one maybe over here, right? And you want this one over here. Like you can kind of play around with it this way, get creative using these two tools, or you can press tab to increase it and delete to decrease it. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can edit indents here on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.